In this video, I'll show you how to download Disney Plus on Amazon Fire TV Stick. Disney Plus is one of the most popular streaming platforms, offering a wide range of movies, TV shows, and exclusive originals from Disney, Marvel, Star Wars, Pixar, and National Geographic. Watching Disney Plus on Amazon Fire TV Stick gives you a smooth experience on a larger screen, making it perfect for home entertainment. To get started, turn on your Amazon Fire TV Stick and make sure it's connected to the internet. From the Fire TV home screen, go to the top menu and select Find. Then choose Search. Using the on-screen keyboard, type Disney Plus and select it from the search results. Once you're on the Disney Plus app page, select Download and wait for the app to install. After the installation is complete, open the Disney Plus app on your Fire TV Stick. If you already have a Disney Plus account, sign in using your email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one on the Disney Plus website and then log in on your Fire TV Stick. After signing in, you'll be able to browse different categories, explore featured content, and start watching movies or TV shows directly on your TV. Navigation is simple, and you can easily search for your favorite titles using the Fire TV remote. In some regions, you may notice that certain content is not available, or the app doesn't work exactly the same for everyone. This usually depends on location-based restrictions or network settings, which can affect what content is shown inside the app. To keep your connection private and enjoy a safer streaming experience, using a trusted VPN is always a smart choice. A VPN helps protect your online activity, keeps your data secure, and adds an extra layer of privacy while streaming on your Fire TV Stick. NordVPN is a reliable VPN that works smoothly with Amazon Fire TV Stick. It offers fast speeds, strong security features, and an easy-to-use app designed specifically for Fire TV devices. With NordVPN connected, your internet traffic stays encrypted, and your streaming experience remains secure. Once NordVPN is connected on your Amazon Fire TV Stick, open Disney Plus again and enjoy watching your favorite movies and shows with added privacy and peace of mind. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.